Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, May the 16th, 2023. We have here three puzzles left. No, three puzzles. Three puzzles done. Yeah. The 3-star Sudoku I've already solved. The 4-star Sudoku I've already solved. And the binary puzzle I've already solved. So one puzzle is left. Yeah. It's the Tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this will be number 6446. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. Should be the easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. It's indicated with 4 stars. So I need for 4 stars puzzle 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright, first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. I see here a single box, there a single box, always a 1. Here 1 and there 1. Next question we have here in this puzzle, dual boxes. Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. I see one triple box. Yeah. Triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or 5, but we have a 5 there, so it can be 5 anymore, so this box should be a 4 then. More triple boxes in this puzzle? No. Quadra boxes then. The next question, do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, I see here a quadra box in the L shape. When you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. It's always a 5. Alright, this box can be a 1, and that box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Here also a quadra box. These two boxes, the quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these two boxes can be a 1, and that box can be a 1. So one box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be here. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And the other number 2 could be everywhere here. Alright. More quadra boxes in this puzzle? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Yeah. Let me draw this shape here. Oh, wait. Let me draw the T shape first. I have here the T shape. Yeah, let me draw the T shape here first. Upside down, the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. And this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. T shape. Same like here. We have another T shape. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. The T shape. Well, then the following shape. How about this shape then? when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Do you have more of this kind of shapes? Nope, only one. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. Alright, this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. And this box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more of this kind of shape? Here, this one mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. More, yeah, another one here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Yeah. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. Well, the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that, oh wait, these 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. This triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, those 2 boxes can be a 1 anymore. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. And this box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. If I place the 1 here, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here in the same area. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The 1's supposed to be there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Same situation as there. I cannot place the 1 there. If I place the 1 there, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 here in the same area, so not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. No. That means that this box, we have a 1 here. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. We have a 1 there. So not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, told you earlier, cannot place the 1 there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 1, but I cannot place the 1 there. So not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for 3 in this area. Should be there. Well, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Then this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill anyone in one of those two boxes. Here can be 1, but also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this triple box from us, 2, and the 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I've marked those two boxes with a 3. We have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and 5, let me mark those. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. We have a pair, 2 and a 4. That means one digit left in this area for number 5, and this box is connected with that box, so we also have 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Alright. I think this box should be a 3, because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, and this box is connected with that box, so we also 2 and 4. Yeah, we have a 2 and 4, okay. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area from us 2 and the 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area from us 1 and the 3. 1 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, cannot be there, because we have a 3 also here. So this box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So the other pair in this quadra box L-shaped area, yes, should be for the numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. A lot of 2 and 4s. Alright, these two boxes can be 3, because we have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 here. That means that these two boxes can be a 3 and more. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 3 there. If I place a 3 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. But we already have a 3 there, so not the solution to place the 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that these two boxes can be a 4, because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and 5. Is also connected with that box, should be also 2 and 5. We needed 3 in this T-shaped area. Well, this box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this T-shaped area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5 as a pair. And this also connected with that box, should be also 2 and the 5. But we already have a 5 here, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright. Alright, now we have a 2 here. So this box can be 2 and more. This box should be a 5. Is connected with that box, should be also 5. This box is also connected with that box, should be also 5. One box left in this area for number 2 then. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Yeah. 2 and a 4. We have a 4 now. So this box can't be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. We also have 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 3. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Not a 4 stars. Not a 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. So you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow on Wednesday. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.